In this video, you'll learn how to book recurring services on Wecasa. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to schedule regular cleaning services effortlessly through the platform. To begin, navigate to the Wecasa website. Once the page loads, locate and click on the login button typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your login credentials, including your email address and password, then click the login button to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to the Wecasa dashboard. Here, find the cleaning service icon prominently displayed. Click on this icon to proceed to the cleaning service section. This action should take you to a page showcasing various cleaning options available. Next, select the specific cleaning service that meets your needs. This could be a standard cleaning, deep cleaning, or another type offered. Once you click on the desired service, a new screen will appear prompting you to enter your full address. Carefully input your address in the designated fields to ensure accurate service delivery. Once your address is entered, you will need to choose the type of cleaning service you want, including any additional options that may be available. After making your selections, click the next button to continue. You will then be prompted to choose your availability by selecting a suitable date and time for the service. After choosing your preferred date and time, you must select the appointment type. On this screen, you will see the option for one-off or regular appointment. Click on the option for regular appointment to indicate that you want to schedule recurring services. Now it's time to pick the frequency of your appointments. You can select how often you would like the cleaning service, such as weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After finalizing your frequency, review the pricing details that appear on the screen to ensure it aligns with your budget. Next, select your preferred payment method from the options provided. Ensure that all information is accurate and complete. Finally, click on the Book My Session button to confirm your recurring cleaning service. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your appointment has been successfully scheduled. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.